you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Well, today's video is in collaboration with Dossier, which is a fragrance-based company that specializes in perfumes and colognes that are inspired by top-of-the-line, or should I say high-end, brands like Tom Ford. And this scent actually is called their Spicy Vanilla scent. And again, it's inspired by a high-end brand like Tom Ford Noir to be exact. It's actually a man's scent, but I'm all about strong scents that last. So I was like, yeah, let me try the Spicy Vanilla scent. And they reached out to me to test these products for free and give my honest opinion. And I love it. I love it from the packaging. I love that they sent me a full-size bottle as well as a travel size so I can put that in my purse. And I really love that scent, and the scent stays. I'm all about a great fragrance, perfume or cologne scent that stays, okay? I hate it when it just smells good for like 10 minutes and then it disappears. And most importantly, I love that they gave me a discount code. So yes, you can definitely check them out and get a percentage off. Everything in the description box below. But yes, now let's get into this awesome eye look. I'm starting off using a concealer as my eyeshadow base, and this is from the McGrath Labs in, I believe it's M17. Yeah, so today's eye look is going to be a semi-cut crease. So I'm going to make sure that concealer blends perfectly on my mobile lid, and then I'm going to set it using my Mercier powder in translucent. And now we're going to go into one of my favorite palettes, which is Maybelline in collaboration with Salt and Pepper. It's the high-end cool Vicious palette, and I'm starting off with that pretty, I believe it's Stupid Fresh eyeshadow, and then I went over using the Certified Platinum. They chose like cool names that was inspired by like album terms and titles and things of that such. But this eye look is really going to be more of different browns. It's really like a soft semi-cut crease. Something very, even date-like, if you will. But brown, I love using browns. It's like my thing. So that's why I went in using the Beauty and the Beat shadow at first. And now I'm using It's Alright, which is a little deeper and darker. And so I'm putting that on the outer corner. And now let's start this semi-cut crease using that same concealer from before from McGrath Labs, and that's the concealer in M17. I'm just going to cut my eye by going around the mobile lid, and as so. And why it's called a semi-cut crease is because I'm not going to really be cutting all the way across my mobile lid, just halfway. And then I'm going back in, of course, to use that same powder from earlier from Mercier in translucent, and I'm going to set it using that nice Stupid Fresh shadow, because again, this is more of like a soft look. However, you know, it is a little fierce because it's a semi-cut crease. But yeah, and you're seeing how it's coming together and how I'm making it semi by adding those brown shades onto the mobile lid, but only on the outer corner of my eye. But yes, so I'm going into that same palette to reapply the Beauty and the Beat and It's Alright shadows on the outer corner of my eye. It is a semi-cut crease, so I need to pretty much add those same brown shadows to the outer corner to create the semi-cut crease. So it only looks cut going in towards the middle and inner corner of my eye. And I added that Certified Platinum on top of my mobile lid to make my eyes pop. As so. And now I'm going into Maybelline gel liner in Blackest Black Noir, because I try not to always use or make a wing liner, but if you've been following me for some years, you know that I'm all about a good wing, so I had to add a wing liner to this look. It just does something to my eyes in this look that just makes everything pop. And now I'm adding my favorite Ardell Lashes in Double Wissies. So yeah, so that completes the eye look, and I'm showing you my fashion. As so, I am a brand ambassador with Astrology Trendz, and Astrology Trendz is a fashion-based company that centers around the zodiac signs and astrology. And I have a discount code, Ania Sade 10, if you happen to like this Cancer-obsessed shirt, because I am a Cancer, so that's why you see a lot of Cancer items, as well as this Cancer necklace. But that's everything. I hope you love it. Give the video a thumbs up if you did.